example here. The hadith Abi Hurairah, the Prophet ﷺ, he said, إِذَا سَفَرْتُمْ فِي الْخِصْبِ فَأَعْطُوا الْإِبِلَ حَظَّهَا مِنَ الْأَرْضِ. That if you travel in the land which has got grass into it, then make sure that you give the animal, which is the camels, their right. This is their fuel. Just like the car needs to go to the garage to fuel. So the fuel of these animals is to start eating from this grass. So if you are in a land which got grass, so take your time, let these animals take their food. Because if they don't take their food, they're not going to give you what you are expecting from them. They're going to go ride for a long distance. So give them their right. And that shows you the right that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in the Islam religion, He wants us to bear in mind that these animals are in need. And if you have to travel in the area which got no grass, nothing there, okay? فَأَسْرِعُوا عَلَيْهَا بِالسَّيْرِ. Then go fast on it. Why? Because you want to take that as well animal to the land where there is food as well. So you don't want to be in a land where there is no food, and then that they will be not giving you what they want, what you expect from them. For example, strength to load things or speed, because you are in a land which got no food. So this is to show the musafir, the traveler, how to use the way of traveling in the most wisest way, which is for yourself and for your animal. And this is hikmah, ikhwan, wisdom from the Prophet ﷺ, to put the things in the right place at the right time. And this is how the Prophet ﷺ is saying to you, when you go into a land such and such because it's got land, then give the animal its right. Also, if you are going into an area where your car is not an animal, I'm just saying, where there is a petrol, then you are, secure. But if you are in an area where it's got remote, there's no petrol station to give you, then you have to be careful to think. So this is just to show you that the person should be planning and how to travel is an etiquette. So all of the chapter is about etiquette of traveling. Then he says, وَإِذَا عَرَّسْتُمْ فَاجْتَنِبُوا الطَّرِيقَ. And if you're to be sleeping in that to camp, then keep away from the paths of the people. Why? Because these paths, he says, طُرُقُ الدَّوَابِ. People use it. Animals use it. And also, a warning, مَأْوَى الْهَوَامِ بِاللَّيْلِ. The things which is, he said what? The hawam, it means what? The things that are harmful? Insects. Hawam is insects, snakes, all of that. Because the snakes during the night use the roads as well. So be careful to be camping in such a thing. So this is also to push away the evil and the harm from the person who's a traveler. It's like a recommendation for him or instruction for him. And also instruction for him not to be harmful as well yourself to the others by sleeping in the path of the people, and then they prevent them from going. Because if you sleep in the path of the people, their caravan can't go, their carrots, the horses, they can't go. You can't sleep in there, so you take away yourself from the path. أَعْطُ الطُّرُقَ حَقَّهَا. Give the paths and the routes its deserved right.